Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. So due to popular request, today I am making this video. People were asking how I clean my wax heater. So today I'm going to show you in details how to clean it. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I've got my wax heater over here. I got this from Amazon. As you can see, it's quite dirty, both inside and outside. And this is from both hard wax and soft wax. So first, I would like to clean the pan first, the wax pan first. Then I'll go ahead and clean the heater. I'll just plug it in and set it to about 90 to 100 degrees Celsius. So whilst it's heating up, I'll get a saucepan and come in with some oil. You can use any kind of oil. It should be cheap because, you're not eating it. You can use, some used oil, but I would not advise that because it will kind of not smell so nice. In this video, I'll be using the maize oil, very cheap, affordable. Just come in with a little bit of oil and put it on a lower flame. Go ahead and heat the oil till it's hot. I mean, it shouldn't be so boiling hot that it will end up scarring your skin. It should just be warm enough. So it has heated up enough and I'll just get the pan out of the heater. Next, I'll get the big chunk of wax from the pan. So as you can see, there's still some wax remaining. I'll just come in with a tissue and clean it up. I want this very clean. So this is where my oil comes in. So the oil is hot now. I'll just come in with a kitchen paper. You need to double it up so that it can be thick enough to suck the oil. Just dab it in the oil to pick some up. Then using the oiled paper, I'll just clean the saucepan. It needs to be warm to get it to clean very well. If the oil is cold, it's not going to work. And look at how easily it cleans. Now look at this, guys, like it's so clean. So I'll set this aside and get onto the warmer. Using the same method, I'll just dab the paper into the hot oil and clean the warmer. I'll keep on cleaning till I get every wax out. So yeah, here we are. Look at this. It's super duper clean. You didn't need to invest in any expensive chemical, just regular kitchen oil and my wax warmer, and the pan is super clean to use again. Okay guys, so this is it. This is how I clean my wax warmer. You know, it's inevitable to get some of the wax on the warmer sometimes, and cleaning shouldn't be so difficult or so expensive. So I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to give me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.